Now I'm just procrastinating because I really don't want to do my hair. Big mood. Alicia, what did you do? My big plans for today is something I've been meaning to do for months. Organizing this drawer. This.
Never mind, go.
What? Have a good workout. Bye, Chloe. Good morning, guys. We are gonna get a workout in. I'm low-key still waking up. I haven't actually gone on the treadmill in a long time. I keep doing the bike. Just kidding. I did go on the treadmill yesterday, but that was the first time in like 2 months. Ever since we cleaned out the garage, I don't really have my normal tripod that I use for vlogging in here. Normally it was just like a whole bunch of boxes over there, and now I'm like, what do I do? Okay, I put 2 pool floaties together, so hopefully this works. We just have this plant in the way. Is that good? Okay, well, either way, I'm gonna do a run real quick. Wish me luck. That was really good. I got my butt kicked. I'm gonna shower. Okay, so we've showered, the makeup is on. I still need to do my hair. I'm honestly so shocked at how the extensions like don't really crease that much. Like yesterday I had my hair in a bun all day. Then I worked out this morning with my hair up. When I first took it out, it was literally insane. And I was thinking, oh my God, I have to wash my hair. There's no way that this is gonna work out. Once you brush it out and put some dry shampoo in it, maybe it's just the weight of it, I don't know, but I feel like it looks way better than normal when I don't have my hair done, which is insane to me. But anyways, I'm probably definitely gonna change later because I threw on this top, but I'm wearing a strapless bra, which has been the first time in forever, and I forgot how uncomfy they kind of are. And then this part keeps like folding over to where you see the strapless bra, so I kind of like tucked it in. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put a little... Bless you. Okay, so we still gotta put a curl in our hair, but guys, today I actually tried a new sunscreen. I know. Normally I use the Dr. Lancer Sheer Fluid. This thing, I swear, works so well. It makes your skin just flawless like no other. It has SPF 30 and I've been using this for probably like 2 years now. I've gone through multiple bottles of these, but literally yesterday, Taryn told me that she tried the Supergoop sunscreen and this was sent as PR. They sent 2 of their sunscreens and she said she was obsessed with it because it was clear. So I was obviously very interested, and this is not sponsored. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like a foundation primer. I'm not sure what's in it, but I've never seen a clear sunscreen like this before, and the way that it blends in literally leaves your skin so smooth. Like, I was like, damn. And this one's SPF 40, so part of me is like, do I have a new sunscreen to be using every single day? Like, my skin is so freaking soft. I'm like really rooting for this one. I think there are a lot cleaner ingredients too. If it works, I'm gonna be really excited because it's more SPF and then it's just like, I don't know, I just love it. But the thing that I loved about the Dr. Lancer one was that me having oily skin, this really like got rid of that. I felt like it really helped to like control my oils. So if I'm extra oily today, it's because of the new sunscreen, so. But my skin looks really good. Like, it looks like airbrushy, which, I mean, hey, we love that. So you guys can be the judge today and let me know if it looks any different, better, worse. Let me know. Let me know. Also, I tried desperately to do a winged look today and it did not really work out. Like, this one's not that bad. Okay, there's like a little wing right there. This one on the other hand, like, they look completely different. So note to self, start with the left eye and then match the right eye versus starting with the better eye, but it's not too bad. Now I'm just procrastinating because I really don't want to do my hair. Big mood. I came in Ashley's bathroom, which her lighting is great. I'm not complaining. I definitely have the bigger bathroom. I'm really not complaining. Came in here because she has this dry bar blow dryer and I put in the Amica, I'm really not sure the way to say it, the Wizard Detangling Primer. Lavette said this is really good to use, so I put that in. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair because I'm not gonna lie, it's still like a little sweaty from my workout, so. Oh my god, that honestly made a huge difference already. I think I still want to put like a few curls in, but I think I might do them softer than, I don't know, we'll see what we do. Oh my god, you guys, literally, I'm not even kidding you, maybe 20 minutes later, not 20, 30, whatever. Point is, I should have never touched my hair after I had it straight. I curled it, but I curled it a different way because I was just wanting to do it quick and I was very lazy, which was mistake number one. The way that it turned out, I should have vlogged it. Literally looked like I had never used a curling iron in my life and I was in middle school and they were just like big, like tight curls and I was just like, Alisha, what did you do? So I definitely spent the past I spent the last 15 minutes trying to like straighten some of the pieces, which now I'm just like, I have probably done way too much heat on my hair today, but it finally looks okay. Oof, it was rough, guys. It's still a little more poofy than I would like, but I still think it's way better than what it was. So I think I'm just gonna not put hairspray in it and kind of like let it fall, and hopefully later today it'll look a little better. Okay, guys. So my big plans for today is something I've been meaning to do for months. I just pictured the punch that you're gonna do, Taryn.
Oh, girl.
Also, bitch, you look cute today. Anyways, something that I've been meaning to do for months now. I'm sorry, this is a little overexposed. And that thing, my friends, is organizing this drawer, which as you can tell, what?
When Lita does organizing vlogs, we all benefit.
I was gonna make a comment about like, wait, why am I the only one who organizes, but then no one keeps it color coordinated? But yes, literally guys, I think 3 or 4 months ago is when I did one of the first organization videos here, and I just still have yet to do that. This drawer's been looking pretty good. The only thing is this little side, but I have another one of these wooden things that I want to put in here. We also need to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff that we don't use, or just find another place to set it. I wanted to show you guys the new canisters that I got. I got these from Amazon. I'll have the link below. They're actually gonna go in a main channel video this weekend, so probably around the time you're seeing this vlog, but I love how it turned out. We really like kind of decluttered everything. We put some of the other coffee machines just down below. Actually, they're over there. I love the minimalness. We ended up moving the Google Home thing over here, and then we have our Vitamix and paper towels on this side, and I just like am obsessed with the fact that it's clean. Oh, also Starbucks sent me a PR package and it came with this honey and vanilla syrup, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever, so we put that there for now next to obviously the coffee maker and stuff. Yes, so anyways, we should start on this thing. I think the first step is going through and seeing things that we want and things that we want to find a new home for. What I was saying forever ago was that I love that now with these guys, we have the perfect little tripod moment. Okay, Ash, I don't know if you actually want to help. I'm just kidding. But to actually just see what things we need.
Not really.
Really? Okay, just don't get mad at me if I throw away any of your favorite, like, I don't know. Do you use this? Do we use this?
Oh, no.
I don't know. I don't know. Big Tom's fans. That's a keep. That's a no. Where did this come from?
Ow.
Oh, did you hear me rhyme like no other? That's a keep. That's a no. Where did this come from? Oh, no one freaking cares, but it's fine. Are these for acorns? You never know, so we better save it. I'm probably totally out of frame this entire clip because it's really like... Also guys, our Postmates order today, we don't want to talk about it. I think it was almost 2 hours exactly that it just never came, so we had to cancel it, and now it's 3:23 and we haven't had lunch yet. We need to figure out which of these we want to keep. I got these things that are meant for eggs, and I swear they don't work. They're supposed to make your egg like the perfect little like egg McMuffin type thing. Maybe I'll keep one. Do we use these things for like pies or stuff? Do we want
Wait,
this?
I want to try the egg thing.
You do?
Yeah, keep one. Actually, you don't answer all of us.
Yeah, Ash. Some of us want dessert menus.
Maybe I want a McMuffin. Speak up. Black.
I felt like that was an obvious. This thing is dope, guys. I don't know where it came from, but it helps you open.
It came with the house.
It came with the house?
It was in the drawer when we moved in.
Oh. It helps you open jars that you can't open. It's amazing. Whoa, I didn't even know they made a 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is the tiniest thing ever. This. Oh my God, you guys, this? First of all, it literally looks massive and insane. Obviously, this is just for like a turkey or some shit, but this was for when I put mayo in donuts to prank Ashley back at the apartment.
That's disgusting.
I think that one you pranked me on it. This could be good for a Halloween costume if you're a sexy nurse. This is my problem. I save stuff because I'm like, what if I want to be a sexy nurse on Halloween? And then
we have a garage full of what ifs.
Then we have a garage full of what ifs.
Not anymore, you don't.
Who is that girl who's sorry? Also, I stole your strapless bra, Ash. And I like it, but I don't like it. Maybe it's just the wrong size.
I'm bigger than you.
I also haven't,
Imagine me trying on your bra. Who looks this hot when organizing their kitchen drawer?
Me.
This is where I said there's a fine line.
Fine line of what?
Between your relatable content and your ridiculous content.
This is ridiculous. Do you want me to organize this or not?
Never mind, go.
I fully support you. Thank you.
No.
Yeah.
What are you gonna grade with that, a peanut?
I pictured you using a literal peanut. Because we never have like much cheese, I feel like we can save space.
Who's gonna grade with that? No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No to the purples. Nope.
That might be the TikTok. Yep.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. Nope.
Does anyone remember when I got these from,
Yep.
Ash, I'm not talking to you.
Nope.
Does anyone remember when we got these at the apartment? Cause same. Do you want these?
Yes.
One.
Both.
Pick a color.
Both.
Nope. Pick
I
a
use
color.
both. I love those. Better not.
You better not. You can cut now. Thanks for filming me. What are these?
It's for the tablespoons and cups.
Why don't we use it?
They kept getting more dirty and then you have to wash all of them.
Orders out for delivery. My stomach is like about to growl. I feel like you guys could even hear it through everything because it's literally baby. So weird having a table to sit at to eat. Like, what is life? Thank you, mops. Guys, I got the Cobb salad. No cheese, no bacon, but double chicken. Wow. Well, we're gonna eat in silence now because we're that hungry. Okay, you guys are not ready for this transformation. Just finished the drawer and what? Why haven't I done this months ago? That's literally the only thing I'm thinking. It looks so good. I believe the dishwasher's clean, so we still have quite a few like spatulas and stuff in there also, but I figured those could go here. Oh, so satisfying. This is how I know I'm like getting older because this is the stuff that satisfies me. Organized kitchen, what? So over here we have all of our like random kitchen gadgets that work really well, like to make zucchini noodles, whatever, avocado thing. We're a huge fan of the tongs, so we have a lot of those. Spatulas and stuff here, more of like spoons here, and then this is kind of just the whatever drawer, so we have like measuring cups, peelers, wine thing, and then this is like the cutting side. I tried to do somewhat of a cohesive organization theme going on, but yo, this looks it looks so good. And I have to show you guys this. We completely cleaned out. Dun, da, da, da. I'm not sure if you ever saw the before of this. Needless to say, you just couldn't ever find a pan. It was like most people's cabinets probably. So freaking excited. There's so much more room. We got these new pots and pans. They were a little expensive, but they're like all ceramic. They're super nice. We tend to go through pans way too fast because we are horrible and we don't do it right. We have to take way more care of them. So that's why I got rid of most of the metal utensils because you're not supposed to do metal utensils on these ones. They're actually so cute. I want to show you guys. Literally not sponsored whatsoever. I got it from a low-key like an Instagram ad. I hope that they work. I haven't tried them yet. One, loved the color, and then two, they came with these magnetic shelving organizers, which make them just stay upright, which is really cute. Like you could literally just have this out on your counter and it makes your pots and pans look so cute. We definitely wanted to have them down here, so we just lowered this shelf and they came with lids, guys. Yo, so these are by the brand Caraway. Guys, I'm being so honest. I have no idea if they're good or worth the money, but let me, you know, test them out for a few weeks and I'll give you an update. But I really liked the colors and everything, and finally some nice pots and pans. We've actually never had some nice ones, so I'm like really excited. But yeah, that is the new organized cabinet and drawer above it. Wow, guys, I'm so happy. I feel very productive. Now, what's freaking crazy is I still actually have one more box of these wooden organizers. I don't know, I thought I for sure would have used these by now, but we still haven't needed them. I think I'm gonna do that for this drawer next because this is the next drawer that's like needs some work. Honestly, this drawer just has like random placemats. A lot of dark chocolate is usually stored in here, as well as a lot of workout stuff. So maybe this will be the new like pre-workout split, collagen, liquid IV type, you know, just like more workout stuff maybe. I don't know. It's bad. But that'll be for next time. Okay, now I need to tell you guys something else. I'm not sure if you saw my Instagram story. I actually posted it the other day. If you guys saw my last vlog, I mentioned to you guys that I actually have been really trying to cut out caffeine. Correction, I cut out caffeine for over a month. The only thing I did have was decaf coffee. Obviously decaf coffee has a little bit of caffeine, but needless to say, from someone who used to have 3 cups of coffee a day, going to none was like crazy. Surprisingly, I didn't have any headaches or anything like that. It was really weird. I don't know. But lately I've been kind of just wanting to reintroduce it because I've been less anxious and I'm like, okay, like let's try to do it. A brand sent me these literally forever ago. Wait, did I already tell you this? I'm so sorry if I did. I don't think I did. Anyways, so I actually got these in a PR package from a showroom and I hadn't tried them for the longest time ever. And I finally tried them the other day and you guys, it's basically a healthy energy drink and it doesn't give you jitters or make you crash, which obviously caffeine can give you jitters, which makes you more anxious, which is why I cut out caffeine in the first place. I've had a few of these now. The flavor definitely takes a little bit to get used to. Like it's not as sweet as Celsius, but the fact that I didn't feel like I was like freaking out or anything like made me really happy. So carbonated water, peach juice, matcha, yuzu, peach flavor, green tea extract, lemon extract, lime extract. 1 can, 40 calories. Total sugars, 5 grams. Still not a huge fan of carbonated drinks just because I feel like they always kind of make my stomach feel like meh. There's no added sugar. I don't know. It seems good. It definitely has a more matcha flavor and then there's like a hint of peach, but like really good. Very exciting. Well, a lot's changed. Right, Chloe? Yes, she needs a bath desperately bad, so please don't mind that. First of all, the obvious. Just kidding, it's probably not obvious at all. I ended up re-curling my hair because I'm insane and a perfectionist. We're trying to work on it. To be honest, I really just wanted to get some photos today. That was kind of like my main plan today. And I just know myself. And if I don't like my hair, it's gonna be a waste of time because then I'm just not gonna even like any of the photos. And we've been there before. It's not fun. So hopefully this is the last time I'm doing heat on my hair today. I'm letting the curls set, so I haven't like brushed my fingers through them yet, although they're probably fine now. So gonna get some photos later today. And the main thing I need to do is put together some outfits so we know what we're wearing. Oh, for those photos. Let's put some outfits together. I have these 2 tops that I really wanna wear. One was the one I showed you guys, the Nike one. I think that could be so cute with like a tennis skirt or something. But to be honest, I'm feeling bloated AF today as I'm about to burp. I'm not sure how many crop tops we're gonna be wearing, but we'll figure it out. I also have this top from Revolve, which I would love to wear. It's one of those like triangle scarf tops, so might wear that too. We shall see. And then I had this on earlier and I thought this could be really cute. This one's from Pretty Little Thing. It's that tie one. I feel like it could be really cute. Or we could also go schoolgirl vibes and wear it with a skirt. Or I also have my pink neon joggers that I thought could be cute with this Supreme crop top. Like that's really, really cute. And then I thought it could also be cute with these shoes. Could do other ones, but honestly I feel like the pattern is just like really, really fun. I feel like this one's probably a yes. Yeah. Update freaking time. It is quite a bit later, as you can probably tell. It's currently 10:20. I'm currently editing all the photos that I got. Sorry I didn't get any BTS and stuff, but it's okay. It makes it that much more exciting for you to see the photos that I got. My hair. Ooh, I'll give you a sneak peek though. Like, okay, Alicia Marie. Okay, Alicia Marie. Honestly, there's so many, so I'm really excited to kind of go through them and yeah, coming to an Instagram near you soon. Why, hello. I am now ending the vlog because I actually remembered to end the vlog. Hey. Okay, bye.